For your mercy never fails. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire in darkest night. You are close like no other. I know you as a father. I know you as a friend. And I have lived in the goodness of God. Hey, 'cause all my life you have been faithful. Oh yes, you have. All my life you have been so, so good. Every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. With my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything, oh Lord. Your goodness is running after, it's running
going to stand a little bit behind you so that the microphone can pick me up.
Okay.
So, are you open close? And I just want to have a practice. When I say I now pronounce you husband and wife, we're going to do a really big cheer, okay? So I now pronounce you husband and wife. Perfect. I knew you looked like a good player.
I'm sure that I could find a million more. There's not a single thing that I would change about you. You're picture perfect just the way you are. So show me every mark and every scar, 'cause I want you and all your flaws. If you're looking for perfection, take a look at your reflection, 'cause I got mine, but I want yours. When you feel like you ain't beautiful, just remember I'm in love with all your flaws. I know sometimes you feel like you're worthless, but I wish that you could see you through my eyes. You're amazing in your heart out to the surface. Don't cover up the pain you feel inside. 'Cause you can tell me anything, I promise. Oh, I want you.
Thank you. Please be. Kia ora koutou, good afternoon. Family and friends, on behalf of Kiawa and Caroline and their families, I welcome you here as we gather for this very special celebration. My name is Liz Ashworth and I'm a registered celebrant. Today, Kiawa and Caroline choose to make a public commitment to each other in front of their closest family and friends. Some of you have known them forever and some for not so long, but however you come to be part of their lives, you are significant because you are lucky enough to be here today, sharing this moment with them, and they thank you. While marriage is about sharing lives, Kiawa and Caroline both honour their own and the other person's uniqueness and individuality. Marriage is a commitment to the best life that two people can find and bring out in each other. It offers opportunities for sharing and growth, a joining that is promised for a lifetime. Within the circle of its love, marriage encompasses all of life's most important relationships. A husband and wife are each other's best friend, confidant, teacher, listener, and critic. Marriage deepens and enriches every facet of life. Happiness is fuller, memories are fresher, commitment is stronger. Even anger is felt more strongly and passes away more quickly. Marriage understands and forgives the mistakes life is unable to avoid. However, no ceremony can create a marriage. Only the two of you can do that, through love and patience, through dedication and perseverance, through talking and listening, helping and supporting, and believing in each other. What this ceremony can do is to witness and affirm the choice you have both made to stand together as friends and partners for life. Kiawa and Caroline, I ask you now to declare your intent. Kiawa, will you share with Caroline a relationship of love, tenderness and love? Will you stand by her, respecting her as a person and enjoying her love through all your life together?
I do.
Caroline, will you share with Kiawa a relationship of love, tenderness and laughter? Will you stand by him, respecting him as a person and enjoying his love through all your life together?
I do.
Will you please repeat the legal declaration after me? I'm going to give you the microphone. I and your full name, please.
I, Kiawa Tangara,
Take you,
take you,
Caroline William Mareka,
Caroline William Red,
to be my wife
to be my wife
from this day Kiawa and Caroline, as a symbol of your love, I invite you now to exchange rings. Are given as a token to show the circle of affection and tenderness with which you surround one another. Wear them as a symbol of all that you share. Kiawa go first and take Caroline's ring. Put it on her left hand. Caroline, I give you this ring
Caroline, I give you this ring.
as a symbol of my love,
It's a symbol of my love.
and as a sign of the vows,
It's a sign of vows.
may it forever signify the love we have for each other.
Kiawa, I give you this ring
As a symbol of my love,
as the symbol of my love
and as a sign
and as a sign
of the vows we have
of the vows we made together.
may it forever signify
May it forever signify
the love we have for each other.
the love we have for each other.
Kiawa and Caroline, congratulations. On behalf of everyone here, I wish you a long and happy life together. We all hope that your love will continue to flourish and deepen as the years go by. May you grow together through all your experiences and always be thankful for finding each other. It gives me very great pleasure to now pronounce you husband and wife. Oh, you're such a beautiful bride. Another kiss. So everyone, we're just going to take a few moments for the signing, so if the two witnesses could come forward very shortly.
I've got so much love to give in my heart. I know you'll see. You won't believe I've been through to be right here. I almost died just to get to you. I'm gonna live and tell again. I gladly obey. From the mountaintops, from door to door, let the whole world know, baby, I'm officially yours. What was I doing before? I was officially Time after time, I told myself to stop this. Yeah, but you take control over me. Oh, you know what you're doing is working. I guarantee it. Please believe it. Go from the mountaintop, door to door to door, let the whole world know. Baby, officially yours. What was I doing before? I was officially yours. Na, 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 ooh. There's a million different reasons why I love you, and I'm sure that I could find a million more. There's not a single thing that I would change about you. You're picture perfect just the way you are. So show me every mark and every scar, 'cause I want you and all your flaws. If you're looking for perfection, take a look at your reflection, 'cause I got mine, but I want yours. When I feel like you ain't beautiful, just remember I'm in love with all your flaws. I know sometimes you feel like you were, but I wish that you could see you through my eyes. You're amazing in your heart to the surface. Don't cover up when you feel inside, 'cause you can tell me anything, I promise I want you and all your flaws. If you're looking for perfection, take a look at your reflection, 'cause I got mine, but I want yours. If you feel like you ain't beautiful, just remember I'm in love with all your flaws. You've been hiding things that I just really love about you, so promise me you'll be yourself and no one else, because I want you and all your flaws. If you're looking for perfection, take a look at your reflection, 'cause I got mine, but I want yours. If you feel like you ain't beautiful, just remember I'm in love with all your flaws. I want you and all your flaws. I want you and all your flaws.
Family and friends, I invite you now to join me and give you warmest congratulations to the newly married couple. Congratulations. Please come forward and congratulate.
What do we have here?
It's been a long time coming. Now, baby, I'm officially yours. I've got so much love to give in my heart. I know you'll see.
Let us outcall to the one that seems like you. Tell me. And when you wake up, I'll be there when I see you. I just want you, babe. With all of your butterflies and lies. I just want you. I'm gonna love you, treat you right. And I'm gonna give all my love till the shadows of distant light. I'm gonna love you till death do us part. We are the things, my favorite
Cái đó sẽ chi rồi thì phải về. Tôi qua lại bên đây quá. Rồi con má đi.
Wasn't that long when this little angel totally took control of my life with one look in her beautiful eyes. Oh, she's just so amazing. She's my inspiration. I give all that I have, for your safety and your happiness. wanna be your father, yeah. She has my heart. I think about her every night and day. One that's ever made me feel this way. Her smile alone just bright.